It's an advantage to us all when we can increase our mental toughness and perseverance towards fulfilling a healthier lifestyle. This is why this topic gets me excited when I discuss starting and sustaining a successful fitness routine. Here's tip number 11.
Go, ride, good, ride a little slower.
Understand there will be highs and lows throughout your journey. This is less of a tip and more of a discussion, and is one of my favorite topics to discuss, even over the first 10 tips, because it has more to do with mindset. First, we already know starting an exercise routine can be challenging, and it's not because of the physical act of starting the routine, but more so the mental preparation and belief that you can and deserve to live a healthier life. There are far too many people out there that pretend to have it all figured out. Thanks a lot, social media. They lead us to believe that there aren't any or shouldn't be any lows in the process of getting fit. That's BS. The lows, the days we don't feel like working out, the weeks we don't feel like working out, the days we have no energy, the days we reach for a pizza versus that routine salad, or even second guessing, why am I doing this? It doesn't mean that you're off course. It doesn't mean that you're not disciplined. Without the low days, mind you, they're different for everybody. We can't and we don't appreciate the high days. The days that we have high energy, the days we have intense passion toward our goal. When we have momentum carrying us into the day or even the week. Those are the high days. As awesome as these days feel, we are again led to believe that these days are supposed to be everyday events. And that's simply not true. Understand you're gonna have less than ideal days, even weeks, where everything goes wrong. Everything's got you stressed. Everything's got you frustrated. You can't get into that groove, even for the experienced exercisers. This doesn't mean you're not successful or you're not cut out to live a healthier life. It's simply the growing pains of the process and progress. It's no different than achieving anything else that's important to you in your life. What I've learned through my experience, especially with a big goal or change in life, is everything is cyclical. You're not going to win all the time. You're not going to succeed all the time. On the flip side, you're not going to lose all the time. Understand it's normal to have high days and low days. And truthfully, you'll have plenty more victorious days than not when you're consistent. So, when the hard days are knocking on your door, don't be surprised when I tell you, don't quit. It's a common message and a constant reminder, I know, but it's important to push through the lows. Continue to execute through these times just as you would when you feel like doing it. When you stick it out through the tough times, that's when breakthroughs start to happen. This tip could be just the one that separates you from adding years onto your life or continuing down the same road you're on. Once you embrace and act on the fact that the lows are never permanent, they're cyclical, you've just positioned yourself to have an amazing and successful life ahead in good health. Any feedback or personal experiences that you've had with your highs and lows during your fitness journey, don't be shy, comment below. I promise you're not the only one to experience these emotions. It's great to know that we have a community that we can support each other during this excursion called life. Have a productive and amazing weekend.
The wind, the sun.